How to add products to TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Hello guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to add products to your TikTok Shop showcase for affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Step 1 is to go to your TikTok profile. Open the TikTok app and head to your profile. From there, or from here, tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner and go to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. If you're already a TikTok seller or like a TikTok affiliate, you can just go right here, click on this TikTok Shop Creator Center. And here, just scroll down and then tap on Showcase. Now browse the catalog section. Here you'll find a wide range of products available for affiliate marketing. You can add a product to your showcase. When you find a product you want to promote, just click on this add button next to it. This will add the product to your TikTok shop showcase and you're ready to share it with your audience. Once added, you can start promoting the products in your videos or TikTok bio. You can share your affiliate link and you'll earn commissions when someone purchases through it. And that's it. You've now added your products to your TikTok shop showcase for affiliate marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!